Welcome back. Today we are going to continue chapter 3 Yoga and Lifestyle. In this video we are going to discuss about diabetes, its procedure, benefit and contradictions. Diabetes, commonly known as metabolic disorder, characterized by high blood sugar level over a prolonged period. Diabetes is due to either the pancreas not producing enough insulin or the cell of the body not responding properly to the insulin produced. Due to diabetes, the individual have fatigue, frequent urination, increased thirst, hunger. It may cause blurred vision, kidney failure, cardiovascular disease, weight loss, etc. The main reason for diabetes in sedentary life by doing Bhujangasana, Paschimottanasana, Pavanmuktasana and Ardha Machendra Asana, one can get rid of this disease. Symptoms of diabetes are fatigue, increased thirst, increased hunger, blurred vision, kidney failure, cardiovascular disease, weight loss, and frequent urination. Causes of diabetes are sedentary lifestyle, disease, overweight, obesity, stress, and tension. Diabetes is a metabolic disorder in which the level of sugar in the blood rises from its normal reference value. There are two types of diabetes. Type 1 diabetes. In this, blood sugar level rises very high due to non-secretion of insulin hormones by pancreas. In that, the affected person has to take artificial insulin through injection. In type 2 diabetes, blood sugar level rises but not like type 1 diabetes. In that type, our pancreas secreting the insulin, but it may be insufficient to control the blood sugar level. Normal or body cell are not able to respond to insulin properly. Here are some questions to test your understanding. Asanas to control diabetes are Ardha Machendra Asana. Sit and keep both legs straight, bending the knee of right feet and put heel below left hip. Bend left leg and place the left foot to the right side of the right knee. Keep left knee close to the chest. Exhale from the right nostril and turn toward the left and touch the toe of left leg from the right hand. Body and head moves towards the left. Repeat while changing the position of legs. Benefits are it's help nervous system and strengthen the backbone. Stretching improve flexibility and tones the muscles. Control menstrual cycle in women and brings shine on face. Also control secretions from pancreas gland. Reduces fat, helps in controlling obesity. This pose flexes lower part of the body, making the hips stronger and toned. And lastly, releases excess heat toxins from organs and tissues. Some contradictions are one should avoid while suffering from severe back or neck pain. Avoid this pose completely if having slip disc problem. Those with internal organ issues may find this pose difficult and painful. It should be avoided by pregnancy. Paschimottanasana. Sit down with your leg stretched in front of you. Keep your head, neck and spine erect and stretch hands upward with a deep breath. Now exhale and bend your head and trunk slowly towards to catch the toe with the thumb. Try to touch head, chest and stomach to the legs and elbows to the floor. Benefits of Paschimottanasana are it improves digestive system and much blocked gas get released. It improves respiratory system, improve alignment of vertebral column, help as a therapy for diabetic patient with weak liver and kidney. Benefits women during menstrual disorder. Contradictions avoid if having slip disc problem. Someone who is suffering from hernia should also avoid. Pregnant woman should avoid this pose. Person having spondylitis should avoid this pose. Pavan Muktasana. Lie flat on your back. Keep the legs straight. Inhale slowly and lift the legs and bend the knees. Bring knee upwards to the chest till your thigh touches the stomach. Hug your knees and lock your fingers. Touch your chin to the knee while exhaling. Repeat it with another leg. The benefit of this asana are strengthen the back, abdominal muscle, intestine get massage, also bring fresh blood to lower abdomen, helps in spondylitis, remove excess fat around the lower abdominal, releases excess heat, toxins from organs and tissue. Contradictions are avoid while suffering from severe back or neck pain. Avoid this pose completely if having slip disc. Those with internal organ issues may find this pose painful. It should be avoided while pregnancy. Bhujangasana. Lie down on your stomach, join the legs and stretch as much as possible. Place the palm near the chest, facing the ground. Take a deep breath and lift your upper body upwards. Elbow should be slightly touched to the ground. Weight should be on pelvic region. Move your head and neck backward as much as possible. Exhale and slightly bring the body in starting position. Benefit of this asana are digestion improve, sluggish liver is also taken care of, thyroid gland improves, kidney function improves, tones the ovaries, therapeutic benefits. Some contradictions are anyone with severe migraine, low or high blood pressure, have a slip disc, suffer from spondylitis and has internal organ problem should avoid this. Here are some questions to test your understanding.